Hi, in front of me is KRUGER Matz 9 and today I would like to show you how you can block ads using Opera Mini. Firstly, open Play Store. Then type Opera Mini. And download it. Now open it. Tap Continue and pick one of the options. Adblock is now on. You can check it out by going into any website. For example, that one. As you can see, you blocked your first ads. If you wanna disable Adblock, tap at the bottom right corner. Choose Ad Blocking, and now Adblock is off. You can turn it back on the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!